yo, I was just making money by the minute, and I'm like looking at my phone like, yo, like I'm making some serious bucks. Yo, I'm gonna keep it 100 right now, okay? I'm gonna just keep it real, my experience. And if you're in Forex right now or thinking of joining Forex, this is what you should not do. Okay, so let me jump right into it. If you're not familiar with Forex and you have no idea what that is, it's basically foreign exchange market. So what it is you're basically buying one currency and selling another currency. Say for example, we're buying Euro USD, right? So the euro would be the base pair, which is what you're buying, against the USD, right? So let's say Euro USD, right now the value is 1.0802. So what that means is for every 1 euro dollar, it's gonna cost you 1.0802 USD or US dollar. So if you're buying euro, that's the amount of USD you're gonna spend for 1 euro. Make sense? Right? So you're buying one against the other. Now there are many different pairs. You can buy Euro USD, Euro Canadian, pounds Canadian, pounds USD, Euro yen, which is a Japanese currency. There are all different mix and matches, but we're not going to get into that. That's just, we're going to stick to one example so I can explain what it is. So what Forex is risk versus reward, risk analysis. You're going to make an educated guess. It's not gambling. It's not gambling. You're gonna make an educated guess based on the charts that whether Euro USD will go up or go down, right? Now, the charts, you need to be able to read them to make a proper guess. It's not, like I said, gambling. You don't just look at the chart and say, oh, you know what? Today I think Euro USD will go up, so I'm gonna enter the market and pray that it goes up. No, you need to study the candlesticks, which are the red and green things you see on the screen right now. You need to study the candlesticks, learn how to interpret the candlesticks, and there are also many other things you can use, like resistance, support, etc. Those of you who are into Forex, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not, then that's okay. But basically what I want you to know is it's not just a guessing game. So say for example, you enter the chart at Euro USD 1.0802 and you predict that it's gonna go up. So say you enter the market and you're correct that Euro USD increased from 1.0802 to 1.0902 and there was an increase by 100 pips. These are called pips. Pips are a whole different thing. I'm not gonna get into it. If you want me to, I can explain what pips are, how to add and subtract pips, etc. I can do a whole video on pips. So let's say you were correct, right? And it increased by 100 pips. And when you entered the trade, you bought into the trade at 10 cents per pip. So what you're saying is that for every pip, you're gonna get 10 cents. So there was 100 pip moves, which is 100 multiplied by the 10 cents per pip that you said was gonna happen, right? So now you've made a $10 profit in that one trade by predicting that Euro USD will increase by 100 pips, right? Now, this is not a lot of money. You know, it's only $10. You might be saying, you know, that's not a lot. But just imagine if instead of 10 cents per pip, you entered the trade at $10 per pip. So now it's 100 multiplied by 10, which is $1,000, right? So you made $1,000 in that one trade. And also, to enter a trade at $10 per pip, you need to acquire one standard lot. Now I'm gonna put a table on the screen right now to show you the lots, the value per pip and the unit size. So here the first one, we're just gonna look at the first one, one standard lot would give you $10 per pip with unit size, and the unit size, sorry, is 100,000. That's where leverage comes in. So basically what leverage is that your broker will allow you to control a certain amount without you needing that much amount in your account. So let's say you have a 100-to-1 leverage. Your broker will let you control 100 units for every $1 that you have. Okay, like I said, all this stuff, I can get into it. I can explain it maybe in future videos if you want me to. I'll be happy to. But what I'm here for is to tell you that Forex is not a scam. It's a real thing. Forex is very profitable if you do it the right way, and you need to control your risks. It is a legit way to make money if you study how to analyze those charts, and if you correctly predict what will happen in the market. Now, I'm sure you've been approached by those people from the I Am Academy, and they're like, oh, why don't you join under me? It's only $225 a month. And recently there was a sale. So I'm like, a sale? Okay, I ain't that. The sale was $169 a month just to join the academy. Now, what they don't tell you is the academy is like a pyramid scheme. So there's one person at the top, and they recruit people under, like a typical pyramid. Now, if one person recruits 2 people under them, basically they don't pay the $225 a month to be in the academy. So it's like the more people you recruit, you don't have to pay the monthly fee. And if you recruit more than 2 people, then the I Am Academy starts sending, I think, $13.40 to your account. And those people above you also get a piece of the cut. Now, if I Am Academy has worked for you, then great. But I personally know for a fact that you don't need I Am Academy to join Forex. You don't need I Am Academy to be a Forex trader. That is false, and they will never tell you that. Okay, now when I was approached by I Am Academy, I'm like, okay, I need to join this thing. I really want to learn about it, but I didn't have $225 at the time. So I went online, I was doing my research, and I met this girl named Gabrielle, a girl from New Jersey, and she was so helpful. She was telling me how you don't need to join I Am Academy to learn Forex. And I'm like, how is that possible? Because I Am Academy offers like a training course. She's like, girl, you can get that training course online for free. And I'm gonna tell you, the website is babypeeps.com. You can go on that website and you get free academy. It's basically like a school. So you start at like kindergarten, then you go to primary school, high school, university level, and then you graduate from the Forex Academy course. And it's 100% free. What the I Am Academy people want to try to make you believe is that you need them to trade. So what happens is they add you to a group on Telegram or something, and they tell you when to enter the market. One guy who's like the master trader will tell you, hey, everybody, enter the market right now and put your stop loss at this level. Stop loss is like a whole other thing for people who know what Forex is. And you're gonna win this amount of money, and you should take this size lot and this size amount and blah blah blah. And sometimes they are correct and you will make money. But the thing is, there is absolutely no one on planet Earth who is 100% correct when it comes to Forex. No one. Even master traders do lose at the market sometimes. The whole point is to manage your risk. Your risk should be 1% of your entire account. So if your account is $100, when you enter in a trade, if that trade does not go in your favor, you should only lose about $1, or for the most $3. So those people who give you signals and they're like, yo, enter the trade at this time, and they don't even know how much money is in your account. They don't even know what percent risk that you're willing to lose. They don't know anything about your account. They're just telling you to enter the trade and use this amount of lots and bet this amount and blah blah blah, and then you just enter in. And if the trade does not go the way they predicted, which happens sometimes because they're like human beings, they're analyzing and also guessing. If you enter the trade, you can end up blowing your whole account. And the thing is, you cannot be mad at them because it's not 100% accurate. They're predicting, but that doesn't mean that's what will happen. You cannot just rely on someone just telling you what to do and when to do it. It does not work that way. You need to figure it out on your own. Now I'm gonna close this video with what happened to me. So I was part of some Caribbean IM Academy group. I didn't pay for it. I was just there as kind of to fill it out. They were trying to recruit me in their pyramid scheme. So I was in there, and there was this one guy from Barbados, and he's like, yo, enter the market right now. You're gonna make so much money and this and that. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I entered the market, and he was correct. It started going in the direction that he assumed that it would go. And yo, I was just making money by the minute, and I'm like looking at my phone like, yo, like I'm making some serious bucks. So he's like, he told us where to put the stop loss. No, sorry, he told us where to put the take profit, but he didn't have a stop loss. So I entered, and I'm like, okay, all right, things nice. You know, I'm gonna take my profit at this time. You know, living it up. I left it, and I'm like, okay, I'm tired. When it hits the take profit, it's gonna take the profit, and I'll be good. And you know what? When I wake up tomorrow, I'm gonna have $3,000, whatever amount in my account. I woke up the next day, and my account was at 0. I'm like, yo, what the hell? So I went to the chart, and the place where he predicted that take profit would happen, the bars never, the candlesticks, sorry, never got to that take profit line. The bulls were in control for it. You know what? I know some of you might be wondering, what is bulls and bears? Okay, let me go back. Basically, the chart started going up, and then it did not hit the take profit margin that he predicted. It just turned around and started going down, and I started losing money whilst I slept, yo. And I blew my entire account. The account got up to $1,647. That's the last thing I saw, and I went to bed. When I woke up, my account was at $0. And I'm like, yo. But before you laugh at me, the good thing was I was using a demo account. Oh. Yes, I was using a demo account. It was not my money. When you open a demo account, they give you $10,000 that you can use to trade, to practice. And that's what I was using, thank God. So I blew my entire $10,000 demo account. Well, it wasn't at $10,000 at that time. I think it was about at $7,000 because I had already lost in some other trades. I blew my entire account, and that was a wake-up call for me. I was like, yo, I cannot be relying on these people. I need to learn Forex for myself. If they can learn it, why can't I learn it? So I started using demo accounts, and I've been doing this for almost a year. You need to be patient. You need to learn. Some people have been trading for 10 years, and you know it's gonna take some time for you to be good at it. Do not believe those people on the IM academies that tell you, you know what, join and you're gonna make thousands, you're gonna make millions, you're gonna quit your 9-to-5 job. Forex is not a scam, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, because if it was, everybody would be doing Forex. It will be profitable if you're trading the right way, if you're recognizing that it's risk versus reward, and the whole point is to win more than you lose. I just want to come on here and say, you see that IM Academy thing? You do not need IM Academy. You do not need to be spending $225 US a month just to join a group of people who just are giving you what they think is gonna happen, and they're like, oh, it's a family, we'll look out for each other. Those people don't know how much money you have in your account, okay? You know how much money you have in your account. You know what you can risk. You know, don't be lazy. Learn Forex on your own. You do not need those IM people. Now, with that said, if you watch this video and you're all the way to the end, please like and subscribe, because I might be talking more about Forex if you guys want me to. And please like this video because it really helps my channel. and thank you for watching. Yeah, so have a good day.